Have you ever been in a big meeting, heart racing, ready to speak, and then your voice betrays you? Out comes a high, squeaky tone, like a cartoon character. That crushing feeling of embarrassment. I know it well. I was bullied in school for sounding strange. I watched confident guys own every room, while I just faded into the background. It hurt my confidence. But here's the thing. Your voice isn't fixed. You can change it. Right now, you can turn that weak, high-pitched voice into a deep, powerful boom. One that makes people lean in, respect you instantly, and actually listen when you speak. No surgery. No gimmicks. Just real, proven methods you can do in 5 minutes a day. Why your voice can change. Most people think their voice is something they're stuck with. That's simply not true. Your pitch, resonance, and tone are influenced by stress, posture, and habits. When you're tense, your voice stays high. When you're relaxed, your voice naturally drops and resonates in the chest. Think of it like this. You're switching from a tiny phone speaker to a massive subwoofer. Daily practice can drop your voice by 20 to 50 hertz permanently. Stronger neck muscles, better breathing, and a lower larynx all contribute. Science proves it works. And once you start, you'll feel unstoppable. 5 exercises to deepen your voice. Here are 5 exercises you can start doing today. Each one takes just a few minutes. 1. Diaphragmatic breathing. This is a foundation of a deep, commanding voice. Sit tall or lie down. Place your hand on your belly. Inhale deeply so your stomach rises, not your chest. Exhale slowly, making a low hum sound. Repeat 10 times daily. This technique pulls your voice from your gut instead of your throat. Funny story, I tried this in public once and sounded like a dying walrus. People stared, but a week later, my voice was noticeably deeper. Try it and feel the difference yourself. 2. Neck strengthening. Your vocal cords need support from strong neck muscle. Perform chin tucks. Pull your chin back as if making a double chin. Hold 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Or press your hand against your forehead and push gently forward. You can do this while watching Netflix. No excuses. Strengthening your neck naturally lowers your larynx, giving your voice more depth. 3. Humming sirens. This exercise builds resonance in your chest. Hum low, like NDG, starting from your nose. Glide your pitch up, then back down like a siren. 2 minutes a day is enough. My roommate once heard me doing this and joked, "Bro, you okay?" I laughed, but over time, it gave my voice a gravelly, attractive edge that people notice. 4. Yawn-sigh combo. Stretch your vocal cords safely with this simple trick. Fake a huge yawn, dropping your pitch as low as possible. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Stand tall with shoulders back. Slouching kills vocal depth. This not only improves pitch, but also relaxes tension in your throat and chest. 5. Lip trills. Lip trills help shake off tension and fine-tune pitch. Pucker your lips and blow air like a horse. Slide your pitch up and down while trilling. Record yourself weekly to hear progress. It's addictive. And don't forget water. A dry throat equals a high, thin voice. I once did this in a quiet elevator. People stared awkwardly. Totally worth it. If you commit to these exercises for 2 to 4 weeks, you'll notice deeper conversations, increased respect from others, a boost in personal confidence. Additional tips. Avoid yelling. It strains your voice. Sip ginger tea to fight inflammation. Speak slower. Pacing adds authority. If any exercise hurts, stop and consult a doctor. Remember, this isn't just about your voice. It's an emotional upgrade. You're going from insecure to unstoppable. Take action today. Which exercise will you start with first? Write it in the comments. Let's motivate each other. If this inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. Your journey to a deep, commanding voice starts today.